Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Glow Up.
Hi, everybody. We are so happy you are here today.
Today, we are talking about one of the biggest problems for English learners.
Yes, today we will learn how to use did, was, and were correctly,
Many students feel confused about these words.
especially in past tense questions.
Sometimes students say things like,
Did you tired?
or did you happy?
And native speakers immediately know something sounds wrong.
But don't worry,
Today, we will explain everything, step by step, with easy examples.
this lesson is perfect for A1 and B1 English learners.
By the end of this video, you will understand the difference clearly.
So, grab your coffee
Relax.
and let's start learning English. Jake, what is the main difference between did and was and were?
Very simple.
Okay, tell us.
Did is for actions.
Actions like eat, go, study, and watch.
Exactly.
And what about was and where?
Those are for descriptions.
Descriptions?
Yes. Feelings, locations, conditions, and states.
Like happy, tired, busy, or at home.
Perfect.
So actions use did.
And descriptions use was or were.
That already sounds easier.
Let's compare two sentences.
Okay,
Did you work yesterday?
that is an action.
Correct.
Now, a description?
Were you busy yesterday?
Busy is not an action.
Exactly. Busy is an adjective.
Very important difference. Let's focus on dyad first.
Great idea.
How do we make questions with did?
We use
Did plus person plus base verb.
exactly.
Can you give examples?
Sure.
Did you watch TV?
Did she call you?
Did they study English?
Notice something important.
The verb stays simple.
Exactly.
We do not say
Did you watch TV?
that is incorrect
Very incorrect.
because did already shows the past.
Perfect explanation.
Repeat after us.
Did you eat breakfast?
Did she call you?
Did they go to school?
Did you sleep well? Now, let's make negative sentences.
We use didn't.
Didn't means did not.
Exactly.
And the verb stays simple again.
Correct.
For example,
I didn't watch TV.
she didn't go to work.
We didn't eat lunch.
Very natural English.
But many students make this mistake.
I didn't went.
No,
Very wrong.
very wrong.
It must be
I didn't go.
simple verb only. Repeat after us.
I didn't sleep well.
We didn't study yesterday.
She didn't call me.
They didn't arrive late. Now, let's talk about time words.
Very important for past tense.
What are common past time expressions?
Yesterday,
Last night,
last week,
2 days ago.
3 months ago.
Can we hear some examples?
Sure.
Did you work yesterday?
I didn't sleep well last night.
We visited our grandparents 2 days ago.
She studied English last weekend.
Very useful vocabulary. Now let's move to was and where,
These are forms of the verb be in the past.
and we use them for descriptions.
Exactly.
When do we use WAS?
With I, he, she, and it.
Examples?
I was tired.
She was happy.
He was at work.
And were?
We use were with you, we, and they.
Examples.
You were late.
We were hungry.
They were at school.
Jake, many students say you was.
That is incorrect,
Always you were.
even for one person.
Very important rule. Repeat after us.
I was tired.
She was happy.
You were late.
They were excited. Now let's make negative sentences.
We use wasn't and weren't,
Wasn't means was not.
and weren't means were not.
Examples:
I wasn't tired.
she wasn't at home.
We weren't busy.
They weren't ready.
Very common English.
Now let's look at common mistakes.
Good idea.
Can we say,
Did you tired?
no?
Because tired is an adjective.
Correct sentence?
Were you tired?
Another one.
Did she happy?
Incorrect.
Was she happy?
Perfect. This is the most important part of today's lesson.
Actions use did.
Descriptions use was and were.
Let's compare.
Okay?
Did you go to school?
Action.
Were you at school?
Location.
Did you eat dinner?
Action.
Were you hungry?
Feeling.
Exactly.
Jake, how was your weekend?
It was great.
What did you do?
I visited my family.
Nice. Were they happy to see you?
Very happy.
Did you eat together?
Yes, we did.
What did you eat?
Pizza and salad.
Sounds delicious.
Now let's practice real life English.
Imagine you are talking to a friend.
Ready?
Ready?
Were you busy yesterday?
Yes, I was.
Did you work all day?
No, I didn't.
What did you do?
I cleaned my apartment.
Were you tired after that?
Very tired.
I understand.
Repeat after us.
Did you study yesterday?
Were you tired?
I didn't sleep well.
She wasn't at work.
They were very excited.
Did you call your friend? Let's review today's lesson.
Did is for actions.
Like eat, go, study, and play.
Was and were are for descriptions.
Like tired, happy, busy, and at home.
With did, the verb stays simple.
Did you go?
Not did you went.
Very important.
Wasn't and weren't make negative descriptions.
Excellent job today, everyone.
Thank you so much for learning English with us today.
We hope this lesson helped you understand did, was, and were.
Remember, practice a little every day.
Listening and repeating will improve your English fast.
If you enjoyed this lesson,
Please like the video
subscribe to English Glow Up.
and write your own examples in the comments. We love reading your comments.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone!